Good girl. You like it? You mac and cheese dog. Hmm. 2 more pieces. Good girl, Miss Emmy. No, I didn't have any food in that hand. Good girl. That's all there is. That's it. Come here. Hi. Hi. Hi, sweetie. What's up? Oh, pretty girl. My pretty girl. What's up, pretty girl? You okay? Where you going, Em? You're cute. Yes, you are. Oh, I'm creating a monster by letting you climb up in my lap, you know.